Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the word count Chrome extension to quickly check or count word characters and text length directly from your browser. The extension is very useful for students, writers, bloggers who needs check word limits. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for word count and press enter. You can select any extension, then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now open any website or web page where you want to check the word count. Now click on the word count extension. It will show you paste the paragraph to calculate words. So firstly we will paste 5 words. Here you will see 5 characters. Then click Ctrl C. Now click on the extension and paste it. Here you will see word count 2, character count 6, average word length and longest word length. So like this you can select all the paragraph, then press Ctrl C, and then open the extension, and then with the help of Ctrl V you can paste it. Here you will see the total word count. Also some extension has right click option. Click on word count checker. Here you will see word count, character count, all this without opening extension, and click on done. It saves time because you don't need to copy and paste text into another website. So this is how you can use this word count Chrome extension easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.